No coding, no experience, still works. Most people think they need years of skills to start online. That's outdated. In 2026, systems matter more than skills. If you have the right setup, the right tools, and a simple system, you can start building fast, like websites, funnels, CRM, content, live streaming, community, etc. Everything connected in one single place. Guys, done for you setup available for free without spending thousands of dollars. Check out the link in the description and watch this presentation till the end. Okay, let's hop into my screen and get started with today's session.
Alright guys, so as everyone knows, if you are starting an online business or an offline business, the first and fourth most important thing which comes to the mind is having a website, right? So many people will be going to wordpress.com, which would be costing you anywhere between $100 to $200 per year, and you can only build a static website over there, right? And you cannot change the theme and the stuff over there. So if you want to build a dynamic website, then it would be costing you a little bit more. That would be in between $200 to $500 per year, right? For a static website I'm talking about. So you please watch this video till the end, and I'm going to show you what system I personally use and how much it would be costing you. Cool. So the next thing is like if you like to build funnels for your products or for your business, many people will go with clickfunnels.com or Kajabi. All right, and ClickFunnels will be costing you anywhere between $80 per month. Okay, and to build a community, to have a community, many people will be having school platform, right? So it's cost you in between $99 or anywhere between $9 per month. But I don't suggest to go with $9 plan. Why? Because you can see 10% transaction fee, which is a huge bump for us. And also $99 per month is also like investing a very huge into building our community, right? So we are making use of three different platforms to run a business. If you are a affiliate marketer or a coach or a SaaS founder, these three are very important. One is like we need to have a community. Second is a website. Sorry. And third one is funnels, right? But what I actually do is, guys, I don't make use of three different platforms. I don't be having three different logins, and I won't be paying this much amount of money for that. If I were you, what I do is like I go with a hub-based business model, which you can get it from eStage. Okay, but actually eStage is not open for everyone, and it would be costing you in between $197 to $297 per month. But please make a note, guys. If you stick with me, I have limited slots left. I'm a beta tester for eStage.com, and also I have an agency model with this, and I can give away hubs for people who start working with me for absolutely free. Got my point? So for absolutely free, I can give you like access to eStage, where you can get each and everything what we have discussed, plus a lot more things. I'll be showing you what all you'll be getting. For example, this is one of my project. I'll be showing you from the beginning. So eStage platform will be having all together at one place. For example, you can see video hosting, websites, courses, live streaming, blog, membership, CRM, affiliate center, real-time chat, collaborations, online store, social network, funnels, community, website, courses, everything in one platform. You need not to duct tape multiple other platforms and build your business or have multiple other logins. Just one login, access everything. And what I feel with my experience is, guys, instead of making use of all these platforms, I have also used ClickFunnels, but I'm not much interested into that. Why? Because it cost me very high. And here the platform what I've discussed with you, let me show you. Let's say this is one of my project. Let me open it. Here you can see you can have unlimited pages. You can design, like you can do dynamic websites over here, not a static website like inserting a theme and working. See, there is a drag and drop option where you can create your own theme, okay, and work on that. You can have unlimited funnels. Okay, you can create unlimited funnels over here. You can see this is one of a funnel which has 3 pages, 3 different pages, so that I can target my customer based on the visit of the page. Okay, in that way I can do. So having unlimited funnels is also an advantage. With that, you can also get blog section, you can get community for absolutely free. Okay, the thing what you will be finding in school.com, you'll be having some better kind of version in community. Okay, each and everything you can get the information, like a complete masterclass. I'm doing a complete masterclass, guys. You can watch it from the link down in the description below. Okay, click get registered, contact me. I'm here to help you out to build this brand for absolutely free, guys. Okay, just you need to pay for domain and hosting, that's it. I'm going to give it for absolutely free for the next year. Then after, there would be a premium that I'll be discussing you if you get registered to the link in the description and have a one-on-one call with me. Cool. You'll be getting community, you'll be getting CRM, you'll be having model builder where you can create these pop-ups and capture leads, and also mega menu builder, marketing funnels, guys. This is a huge bonus for us. You know, platforms like Click Magic, same thing. What does it do? It goes with the ad clicks and targeting. So from which platforms you are getting clicks, and from which platforms how much percentage got converted, each and everything Click Magic will be showing us. But we are also having a same module called marketing funnels, where you can find from which platforms you are getting clicks and how much percentage is converting, and so that you can decide on which platform you can work, either on YouTube or Twitter or Instagram, right? So this is one of the advantage you will be getting from us. And also you'll be having video hosting. This thing we will be limiting that. Why? Because it depends upon the price point. So for the price point what we are giving for free, you won't be having that much amount of limit for video hosting, and we have an alternate for that. I'll be explaining you in my free masterclass. Also user management. So watch the masterclass from the link in the description down below, guys. So if you feel like this would be a great fit for my business, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp. I'm here to help you out to build your personal brand. Actually, I'm going to help you build your personal brand. Why? Because you might be doing any kind of business, online business or offline business. Like you might be an affiliate marketer, you might be a coach, you might be an SaaS founder, whoever you might be. Personal brand is here to help you sell your products or services. Got my point? So if you are really interested to build your personal brand, contact me from the first link in the description. I'll be helping you out. I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day.